Good morning. Welcome to our newest listing at 1653 Fifth Avenue East, right across the street from Bayview Park, which overlooks all of Georgian Bay. It's fabulous. This home has been lovingly maintained and is very unique. It's got 3 bedrooms upstairs, a full rec room downstairs, and even a pool room. You've got to have a look. This is an amazing property, 79 feet wide, over 200 feet long. You can have badminton, a pool, gardens. Give me a call if you want to see this property. There's nothing like living in Owen Sound.